Today, we're going to be discussing how to tighten and firm our skin with 5 easy steps. Are you experiencing sagging of the skin, more looseness of the skin, or do you just want to prevent that from happening? Well, today we're going to be discussing why we get saggy skin and also what we can do to prevent that and to treat that. Hi, my name is Sophia. I've been working in the beauty and wellness industry for over 15 years, and my mission is to help you become the best version of yourself. So before we get into some of the top ways to tighten our skin, let's first discuss why we get sagginess and loose skin in the first place. The number one reason is aging. When we age, we lose collagen and elastin, which keep our skin tight, firm, and plump. But I think there's a lot that we can do to delay that process. And one of the key things is keeping our insulin levels in check, because as we age, we tend to get more sensitive to insulin and slowly become insulin resistant. And that has been shown to destroy our collagen. And the other hormone that can really affect our collagen is cortisol, which tends to go up when we're under stress. So if we can control those two hormones, we can also control that process of collagen and elastin production and destruction. The second reason for loose skin is weight fluctuations. When we lose weight very quickly, our body and our skin might struggle to get back to normal, and we end up with that saggy skin. The third reason is sun exposure. Now, the sun can be good in so many ways. It helps with the production of vitamin D, also with melatonin, which is a really powerful antioxidant. But having too much sunshine can affect your elastin and your collagen fibers. So it's really important to be mindful of that. The fourth reason is our living habits and how we eat. So if we're having a lot of alcohol and processed foods, our bodies will be depleted of nutrients that are needed to build that collagen and elastin and just keeping us healthy and our skin firm, nice and tight. Now that we understand why we get loose skin in the first place, let's move on to the top 5 tips on how you can tighten your skin and also prevent that looseness from forming in the first place. The first tip is microneedling, which can be an excellent way to tighten and firm the skin. Now, this involves using tiny needles to create micro injuries to the skin that then stimulate collagen and elastin production through the body's natural healing process. And there's many ways of doing this. You can use a derma roller, a derma stamp, or a derma pen, and this can be done professionally, or if you want to save a little bit of money, you can do it at home as well. The important thing to remember is to follow the process properly so you don't end up with infections or any kind of adverse reactions. There are some more advanced forms of microneedling to consider as well, where you can have a little bit more results. One of them is microneedling with radio frequency, which basically involves microneedling with heat, radio frequency heat, which produces more and better results. Now, the important thing to remember here is to go and see a practitioner who's very experienced, because you could have a reaction to this and you could have adverse effects like the loss of fat tissue, but this is only when it's done incorrectly. Tip number 2 is absolutely free and will leave you feeling great. It's exercise. Exercise increases your blood circulation, which increases the flow of nutrients and oxygen to your skin, which has a tightening and firming effect because of the increase in collagen production. So make sure you're exercising most days if you can. And if you really want to see a difference, include some strength training into your routine, because that will really tighten and firm your body. And just like exercise is great for the body, it can be great for your face as well. And I know there's some controversy around this. There are dermatologists that say that it can leave you with more lines and wrinkles. But I can speak from experience. I think it actually does a really good job on tightening and firming the skin. So if you are interested in this, have a look online. There's loads of videos on facial yoga and facial exercise. All you need to do is include about 2 minutes a day, and you will see a difference. The third tip is hydration. Not only do you need to be drinking enough water, but you need to be making sure you're getting enough hydration on your skin. And this won't directly affect the tightness of your skin, but it will plump up your skin and it will keep your skin healthier as well. So look out for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which holds 1,000 times its weight in water, and it both attracts and retains moisture in your skin. The other ingredient to look out for is ceramides that maintain and actually repair your moisture barrier. So that is really helpful for maintaining the hydration in your skin. A great range to look out for is CeraVe, which is pretty much built around ceramides. And they also include some great ingredients like hyaluronic acid and squalane that further moisturize and hydrate your skin. Tip number 4, include a collagen supplement in your diet. They help replenish both your collagen and elastin, which are responsible for the suppleness, tightness, and plumpness of your skin. And when going for a supplement, make sure it's of high quality and that it includes collagen 1, 2, and 3, because they all do different things for your skin. And make sure it's a collagen peptide or a hydrolyzed collagen, because they're broken down into smaller pieces so your body can absorb it better. By the way, if you're liking this information, please hit the like button. That way I know to continue producing similar content. And if you have any thoughts on what you'd like to hear more of or less of, please comment below. Tip number 5 is another tip that won't cost you anything but can make a world of difference to your skin. It's getting enough sleep. When we sleep, our body regenerates itself and all of our cells repair themselves, including our skin cells. And I think we all know the difference in our skin when we've had a good night's sleep compared to a bad night's sleep. Not getting enough sleep can also increase your stress levels, which increases cortisol, which increases our inflammation and can also break down collagen. Again, that affects the tightness of our skin. So make sure you're getting enough sleep. That's 7 to 9 hours per night. And to do that, make sure you have a good bedtime routine. If you follow these 5 tips, you will see a difference in the firmness and tightness of your skin. If you like this video, I would recommend you next watch my video on the 4 hacks to boost your collagen naturally. And don't forget to subscribe, because I will be releasing similar content on a weekly basis. And please do comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.